are. There's a house. Still have to figure out how to dig the front door out. But what I can't figure out is where the road, how the plow is ever going to get through here. It's just a crazy amount of snow. Oh, you can see a nice sidewalk now, but after the plow comes through, it's going to be another story. Oh.